everybody knows.
What's up, in this video, I'm going to be playing Animal Company. Now, I've
I
played this game
just
before.
watched 3 people explode from a
Distance.
So,
Man, this is bullshit.
Are you beating your shit right now?
No. I'm just clapping.
Most. What?
I'm just clapping.
Oh, okay.
Like
For
real
sure,
life.
for sure.
You fucking hate
clapping with a knife.
real quick,
Alright.
No, you.
Nah, you won't play that game, buddy. Come here.
Too much loot on me.
these guys are blowing each other up.
2 golden statues on me, bro.
So for this, I'm gonna be trying to get the Mimic. The Mimic, it'll, it will be able to mimic the avatars of players. You know, it's literally in the name, the Mimic. Alright.
Before the money reset and the update, I had $80.
If you hear something in the background, that's just my TV watching Netflix channel. So, let's go catch a Mimic. Now, I'm gonna be telling you about the Mimic on the way to. So, the Mimic can recreate the character of a gorilla. And what you're seeing right now, that red light, that's the red light, green light machine. If you move while it's on red, then it can kill you. But since I'm out of its line of vision, I'm good. But I'll buy a bigger flashlight because it's pretty dark in there. So. Ooh, backpack. No, let me see. Okay. And this is a new update. There are now fingers in the game. The lab to change color. Ooh.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll get off the
Bro's
field.
trying to steal the flare gun.
Hey, Blue.
Oh my god, this guy just tried to kill us. Oh, he killed some people.
Big Sigma.
This guy, bro. This guy.
Okay, so
Oh my god, who wants
I had like 12k, but now I have 6k.
this is what I'm gonna do.
I have 26k.
I'm gonna go over to gravity.
By this
Oh,
thing
my
right here.
Out.
It's called a grenade. I missed.
Does anyone want to?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh, come
What the hell was that?
Yes. Guys, well, at least if you sold my items, I'll still
Where are you? I think I might be other people coming on.
Thank you, Pookie. Gotcha.
You're welcome.
No, great flashlight.
I'm in some profit, bro.
He's still looking.
You told me be quick. Keep up.
Thank you. Thank you for the money.
Hey, what the skibbity fart?
Thank you for the money, you white. Thank you for the money, white. Thank you for the money, white. Appreciate it. Thank you for the money.
There's a lot of money in there, bro. Guys, gonna...
Wow. People are marrying in this game?
So,
Bro, I have so much stuff on my bag. I can't even
have a
grab it.
grenade.
I can't find a bag.
I'm just gonna go. Y'all can have the freaking 2 golden things in my backpack.
Someone's trying to assassinate me, bro.
Wait, what did happen first?
What? Because you're damn grenade, bro.
Oh my god, he's red.
oh my.
He's red.
Being harassed by a giant monkey.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is anyone coming with? I'm in. What? I'm in parkour. The second part.
So
You're in second?
this video just turned
Yeah, second part.
into chasing the
Wait for me there.
He's
Wait for me, wait for me.
Don't step on the
Wait.
phone.
Why is that cool you
I'll
at?
kill you.
Well, I
He's gonna
did.
kill the kids.
Wait for me at the one that.
Man.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, buddy.
Ah, you just stole my.
Hey, yo.
I gotta get a new one.
Yes. What's in there? Hold on. Dump it out. Dump it out. What's in there? I wasn't there. Dump it out. Dump it out.
Yeah. Dump it out.
Bro, that's mine, bro. That's mine. Screw you. No, bro. Shut up.
Here, all
I'm
of you
not the
can
first
share it.
call.
All of you can share it.
Huh?
All of you can share it.
I use YouTube right now. Holy crap, guys.
Never mind, I'm just snatching kids' items now.
Wait, but what does it have in it?
We're gonna...
I got a few bombs.
Coming to
Free
zero
candy!
gravity.
I got free candy!
No.
You want it?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't getting nothing!
I'm coming to second thing with you. Alright.
Cheeks. Holy.
I am just at the second parkour.
Yo, give me your backpack.
How the freak
Oh,
I got grenades?
The second tube.
Give me a grenade. Give me one.
I'm dropping that. White kid, you suck ass. You little white kid, you're so annoying. You're such a fat ass.
So,
Yeah, you do got a fatty though.
Hey, give me that, bro.
What do y'all be talking about on this video?
Shut up, bro.
I am dropping that.
You stole my stuff. Give me my stuff. Give me your backpack.
What's up?
What
There's
happened to
4
my bomb? I
boxes?
just realized. Here, give me it. There's nothing
Wait
in
for
there.
that.
For you.
Alright. Guys, I'm missile dude. Does anyone need me to missile any monster?
My bag.
where's that shit back?
Can you shut up, please?
Did they change which way the exit is to? But I really don't. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna need you to show me. Here, I'll grab the bag. Who wants to go to the sewers with me? Who wants to go? Hey, nobody, honey. Yes, I'll go to the sewers with you. I'll go to the sewers. I'm going. Whoever wants to go to the sewers,
That is just.
get the bottom of this.
At least I got my thing back. At least I got one of my thing back. I got 2 flashlights. Yo, 2 flashlights.
No, guys.
Anybody have anything to trade? I'm broke, yeah.
Oh, another one.
Shut it down my backpack.
Yo! What up? It's all they got. Damn!
Big boy now.
So you do still go with the left. Waking up.
Gucci on my feet. Okay. Cassie, nothing. Move your butt cheeks, bro. Where's the green?
Never mind,
This
guys.
is the most fucking
That's my
horrendous
assassination, bro.
testicle area I've ever been in.
Would anybody donate
So,
something nice and stuff?
But, oh,
sorry, I accidentally threw my backpack. Let me listen to you now. Don't steal other people's items, or else you end up like me, with none. But yeah, I'm gonna find the mimic now. I've caught the mimic before. Just gonna wait.
Guys, wait for me!
That's the mimic. I killed it. That's what the mimic is. You just heard that loud noise. You guys are gonna see something really cool now.
Hey guys, go to the soda machine!
That's what that was.
Ni hao. And then, no, they didn't come out. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. White, you better watch out.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go into my secret hiding spot.
Not watch out.
You guys can use this too. It's not right there, down here.
These are bad for all these kids who get good stuff and they die.
Okay, never mind, guys. My
You guys can have whatever's in my
backpack is too full, I guess.
whatever's in my backpack.
So I'm gonna have to go into the wilderness.
Lisa!
So myself. As you just saw, I defeated the mimic.
You red! You're not
Funny. Ni hao.
Here, sell this. Sell this.
My battery is 3%.
White. Can you sell these? Here, Here. God dang, you're not fun.
Yo, no.
Alright, well guys, that's the end of the video. Not the end exactly.
You'll never look that way again.
You literally got to go closer.
Okay, now it's the end, guys.